In the previous video, we went through the exercise of setting up our money pots. Now we're going to take a look at parcels. We can easily get there by clicking either on the button or on our nice little parcels icon. In this case, we're just going to click here.
Parcels are really grocery bags coming out of the kitchen. And there's different kinds of grocery bags in different amounts. So we're going to talk about job 1 and job 2 and any extra income, because there's often odd jobs and sources of income, just as we see here with students or families or micro business. Now we have 3 parcels that have been brought into the kitchen, and if we go to the month of January, we see that we have, in fact, now job 1, job 2, and extra income.